Start by opening FileZilla Pro RemoteDrive. If it's already active, you'll find the icon in the top bar. Otherwise, open the App Store app and launch it from there. Click on Plus Add Server to begin creating a new connection. Choose the connection type from the drop-down menu. Select S3, Amazon Simple Storage Service. You can name the connection for easy reference. Skip it to let RemoteDrive name it automatically based on the server's name. For AWS S3, you can skip setting an initial region endpoint. However, for S3 compatible storage, you'll need to configure the initial region endpoint in the Provider tab under Settings before entering it in the host field. Enter the Access Key ID into the Access Key ID field. Enter the Secret Access Key into the Secret Access Key field. If your credentials cannot list buckets, set the target bucket as the default remote directory in the Advanced tab. Click Add and Connect to set up and establish the connection. If it is the first time you connect to the server, Finder will ask you to enable the connection. FileZilla Pro RemoteDrive, your all-in-one file transfer solution. Get it now on the Apple App Store.